In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a roadmap infographic using Canva. This is a simple yet effective way to visually represent your journey, plans, or processes. Whether you're planning a project timeline, setting personal goals, or even charting business strategies, this guide will walk you through creating a professional-looking roadmap with ease. First, let's start by opening your Canva document. If you don't have one already, you can easily create a new document by logging into your Canva account. Once you're in, you should see the familiar Canva interface with a blank canvas ready for your creative ideas. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the panels and tools, especially if you're new to Canva. It's a user-friendly platform, but knowing where your tools are can greatly enhance your design process. Now that you're set up, direct your attention to the left-hand toolbar and locate the Elements tab. Clicking on this will open up a plethora of design resources available to you. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type in Winding Road or simply Road. This search will pull up various road-themed graphics, photos, and even videos, offering you a wide range of styles to fit your roadmap design. As you browse through these options, think about what best represents the journey or plan you're mapping out. Do you want it to be straightforward and simple, or perhaps something more detailed and intricate? Once you find a road element that fits your vision, click on it to add it to your canvas. From here, you can resize and adjust the position of the road. Canva offers you flexible tools to manipulate your elements, allowing you to rotate or stretch them to fit your needs perfectly. Be creative. This is where your roadmap starts to take shape. With the road element in place, think about other components you might want to include. Consider adding text boxes for annotations, other graphical elements to mark key points on the roadmap, or icons to represent different milestones. Canva's text tool provides various font styles and customization options, so feel free to experiment until your text design aligns with your overall theme. And there you have it. You've completed your roadmap. Remember, creating a compelling visual takes practice and a bit of patience. Don't be afraid to play around with different elements until you achieve the look you're aiming for. Canva's intuitive interface makes it simple, and with these steps, you're well on your way to becoming proficient at designing your own creative roadmaps. Thank you for following along today. I hope you found this guide helpful and look forward to seeing what stunning roadmaps you create in Canva.